Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are at Sekhar Olympus project which is located in Horamavu, North Bangalore. So this is the view of project from main road. The project is sprawled over 1.30 acres of land and consists of 3 number of towers with 8 floors each. And total comprises of 101 number of units. It offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. So from here you can take the view of Project Tower. It's an under construction project and the construction work is going on in full swing. As from here you can see, it's a grand project. And now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So friends, this we have entered into the living area. Here you can see the fantastic interior work. Over here is the dining hall. And here you can see the modular kitchen. The spacious kitchen, very well furnished. And just next to the kitchen, here is a separate utility area. Now moving next. Here is the common washroom. With ultra modern fittings. And this is the spacious bedroom. With lavish interior decoration. Over here is the cupboard section. Here is the dressing area. It's a spacious bedroom with laminated wooden floor. Now here comes the second bedroom. Again you can see the room is spacious and beautifully designed. So this is the wardrobe section. And here comes the master bedroom. Skillfully designed with laminated wooden flooring. Over here you can see the wardrobe. The spacious bedroom, which is also having an attached balcony, as here you can see. And this is the view of an attached washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.